The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is back, and it's not just a throwback, it's a rebirth. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Beetle grabs your attention with a fusion of classic curves and modern detailing. The signature rounded silhouette remains, but everything else has evolved. The front fascia now wears slimmer LED headlights, integrated smoothly into a slightly more aggressive hood line, giving the Beetle a sleeker, more refined look. Chrome accents are used sparingly and tastefully around the windows and grille, adding a premium feel without being flashy. The wheels range from 17 to 19 inches with eye-catching designs that pop against vibrant color options like Arctic Blue, Sunset Copper, and Midnight Slate. Walk around to the rear and you'll see how Volkswagen has subtly modernized the Beetle's iconic bubble back. The tail lights are slimmer, fully LED, and they stretch across the hatch in a style that almost resembles the ID series influence. There's a hidden rear spoiler that deploys at higher speeds and twin chrome exhaust tips that hint at performance. It's the kind of design that respects its roots while boldly stepping into the future. This is not a retro car trying too hard. This is a modern machine that knows where it came from. Open the door and step inside, and you immediately notice the clean, minimal interior. The dashboard is no longer a simple slab. It now flows smoothly with a two-tone color scheme and soft touch materials throughout. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster paired with a floating 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Volkswagen's latest MIB4 interface. Everything is crisp, intuitive, and lightning fast. Wireless Apple, CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the voice control actually works when you talk like a normal human. There's ambient lighting that wraps around the dash and doors, customizable in 30 colors, giving off a calm, upscale vibe. The seats are surprisingly comfortable for a compact coupe with generous bolstering and optional heating and ventilation. You can get them in vegan leather or an eco-friendly recycled textile that actually feels premium. Rear seats still exist, yes, but don't expect limo legroom. They're best suited for quick trips or tossing in bags. Cargo space is slightly improved from the previous generation, with a more usable hatch and a fold-flat rear bench. It's a Beetle, but now it's practical enough to live with daily. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle brings some real changes. It's offered in two powertrains. The base model runs a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 engine, putting out 170 horsepower and 200 lb-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's punchy enough for city driving and light on fuel, averaging around 34 miles per gallon combined. But if you want to feel the Beetle bite back a little, the R-Line trim comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. That one sprints from 0 to 60 in just under 6.5 seconds, and it handles with far more confidence than you'd expect. The suspension has been tightened up, steering feels sharp, and for the first time, there's even an optional adaptive dampers package that adjusts to your driving style in real time. Even with all that performance, the Beetle doesn't forget safety. Standard features include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines. Optional tech includes a 360-degree camera, semi-autonomous parking assist, and traffic jam assist that can steer and accelerate in stop-and-go situations. The pricing for the 2025 Beetle starts at around $31,000 for the base model and climbs to just over $39,000 for the fully loaded R-Line with all the goodies. Considering the style, tech, and improved driving dynamics, it sits competitively in the market, bridging the gap between affordable fun and everyday practicality. So while the Beetle keeps its heritage alive, it doesn't live in the past. The 2025 model is smarter, sharper, and more grown-up without losing the charm that made it a cultural icon. Whether you're in it for nostalgia or just want something unique with personality, the new Beetle finally delivers more than just a cute face. It delivers the whole experience.